Just bounce to this.
You, baby, even electricity can't compare to what I feel when I'm with you.